Hello Dr. Goldhole. I'm the Brodilly Jedi. Wait, you're the Brodilly Jedi. 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 Stop it, seriously. I owned a girl some money, got bankrupt, and got stabbed by a caveman. Why did I have so many bad lucks? I don't know, maybe you're too greedy. Can you take me to the Cave of Golds? Seriously? Probably. Okay fine. But be warned, once you enter that cave, the world will change. Okay,